Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we want to discuss about change form property, bring from foreground, and then close form, as well as the set value to the form. So as we already know that, so we have made a typo here for our particular form name, right? So we can just try to correct that using our change form property activity. So let me drag and drop this particular activity. So let me take a look at particular panel, so you can see what actually the title of the form should be. So we have made a typo over here, right, when we were creating. So let me try to correct over here. Bank customer info. Perfect. It also shows the states. So what actually the state, it need to be opened, the particular form, whether it be normal or minimize or a maximize. So let me make it as a maximize now. And then what actually the margin, so it should show the margin or not, so it can up to us. So how we are going to customize our particular form, right? Make it as a left on top, a width. So all these things, as you know, I just have to populate only these two information. So let me click on save. So after that, so let me try to debug this now. So it started running now. So previously it was opened in a small window, right? So now it has been maximized, you can see that, right? So also you can see the name has been corrected automatically. So now you can provide the information as same as how you have provided in the previous one. So the names and then email ID. So all are same. So how you provided in the last thing, and then so same stuffs after the new address. Perfect, right? So now it has been changed your property of the particular form. So let me try to stop this. So let me try to add few more fields in the form and make it very reliable for the particular agent who don't work behind this form. Let me go to the project and then go here. So this particular automation will be always used by a particular agent, right? So if you're going to use this particular form for an agent A and then agent B, so agent A going to use this particular form for all the time, and agent B as well going to use this particular form all the time. To understand who is worked on the particular request of a customer, so A or B, we need to add a one more field. Okay, so let me go here, drag and drop request handled by. So I just got a customer call to update all the information using this UiPath form. I just gonna populate all the information, and there should some record, right? So I just handle this request, or my colleague handle this request. To differentiate that, I just add a one more field over here, and this particular field need to be populated for me all times. Since I'm gonna use this particular form in my system, I gonna work on this request all the times, right? So I no need to provide all this particular data on this field every time when you're gonna flash it up. So to make very value on a static way, so what I'll do, I'll just use the set value activity. So let me try to save this and close it up and show you how I'm gonna set that. So you can see set form value, right? So let me use this up, right? And then so you have to set the value for this request handled by, right? Let me go here and make it as wiki. Okay, so wiki is the person who gonna handle this request, then only gonna set the value. Okay, after that, so let me drag and drop this close form activity now itself. So as we know that, so this particular close form activity which help us to close the particular form, right? Perfect, awesome. So let me try to save this and let me go ahead and run this up. So here we have used our show form, set value to the form, and then close form as well. Okay, so by this, so it's gonna change the particular form value and gonna maximize it, as well as it's gonna keep the name of the requester all the time as a wiki when the form get flashed on. So let me wait for a minute. So you can see over here the information name wiki has been already populated, right? So since I'm gonna use this form for all the customer, I don't need to get all this information name as wiki for all the time. Let me try to populate all the information. So j.com and then mhm, hmm, perfect, and then address. Help of this request handle, so we need to populate for all the requests. So if you're going to get 1,000 requests, you don't need to populate this. So just click on submit. That's it. So once I clicked on submit, it go to the right line. Form is created and popped up, and then so it will be closing the form with the help of close form activity now. Awesome, right? So with the help of all this activity, we can able to customize our form, and then we can able to add the predefined value. So all the stuffs can be done with the help of these activities. On our next session, we can just talk about how we are gonna run the form using the script, as well as how we're gonna get the value particular from the form. So I hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.